Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be thrifting. Thank God I haven't been thrifting or shopping really in general in so long. I got my mask, I got gloves, I got hand sand. I am ready to go. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. We do lots of videos on my channel: fashion, food, beauty, makeup, everything you could ever want. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So let's get thrifting. Okay, before I go in, I want to let you know kind of what the items I'm really looking for. Obviously gonna grab whatever speaks to me, but what I'm really looking for is anything in that like trendy limey green color. Any jeans that I can make into shorts. Cool pattern men's shirts that I can crop into cute crop tops. Sweater tank tops are really in right now with like a high neck. And then shimmy shake tops, which is a term coined by thrift queen Macy Eleni. She's another YouTuber, and it's kind of like a women's button-down shirt that's like oversized that just makes you want to like shimmy and shake. So I'm on the lookout for a shimmy shake top as well. So let's go. Okay, so I found a lot of men's tops that I'm gonna crop, and then some shorts and a bunch of the sweater tank tops. So I'm gonna have to like pair through these and decide which ones I want to keep, but I'm finding good stuff. Look at this 80s dream. Okay, I found a shirt in the green color, but it's a small, but I think I'm gonna get it anyways. I found this beautiful blazer, some more stuff to crop. I think this is gonna be a good haul, guys. This is all sweat from under my mask. Oh yeah, I found a lot of good stuff, guys. Sorry I didn't film a lot in there. There was like no music playing, so it was awkwardly quiet, and like, I don't know, there was a lot of people, not a lot of people. I was able to stay 6 feet away really easily, but like, I just didn't want to be yelling in a quiet room. But I found so many goodies. 2 bags worth, and it was like 27 bucks, and I got like 10 pieces. I'm so excited. I'm gonna wash them all, disinfect, do try-ons, do some thrift flips. I'm really excited. All right, guys, the first piece we're gonna talk about is this gorgeous purple shoulder pad, 80s grandma 90s realness. This color is everything. It's what initially drew me in, but I can wear it as a dress right now. So I'm gonna crop it, maybe like about here, to make a cute little crop top. I think it's gonna be way cuter than this dress moment, but I love it. I just love how boxy it is with everything. The shoulder pads really make it for me. So let's thrift flip her. All right, guys, sorry for the lighting. Sun went behind a cloud. Not having it right now, whatever. But here she is cropped, and I think I want to crop it a little more, maybe? Like maybe up to the bottom of the pocket. This vibe, I don't know. But definitely a cuter so far. I'm happy with it. You can tell that it was hand cropped and that I have no talent. Nice. So here she is. I still really like her. I need to figure out how to style her. Doing it with the jean shorts just isn't giving it to me yet, but like I have faith, because even doing that just made it so much cuter. So yeah, look at her. Okay, this item is so perfect. I wasn't able to try anything on in the store, so sizing wise I was literally just guessing, and this fits me so perfectly. It's just a slip dress. I found it in the pajamas section. Has little lace detail. It's like midi. It's just so in right now, and I'm so excited about it. You know me, pair it with white sneakers, white chunky sneakers. Look super, super cool. And this is something that I would also layer over a like white long sleeve t-shirt to make it work in the fall/winter as well. So I'm so excited about this. This is perfect. I'm in love. This is definitely like 90s midi dress, flowy realness. Okay, the next item is this lime green color that is super trendy that I was looking for during this thrift trip, and I just layered it under the dress I just showed you, and it's super cute. Guys, this thrift trip was so good. I cannot deal with it. So here would be the full ensemble. I'll take the dress off and show you guys the shirt as its own. Thinking about cropping it, I'll show you. Okay, so here's the top on its own. This little outfit is giving me Scooby-Doo vibes all the way. Shaggy meets Daphne. Are you kidding me? Okay, anyways. I'm just thinking like, this is the length. I'm just thinking about cropping it like a little bit to make it more of like a baby doll tee. Like that. Just like, what is that, an inch, 2 inches? Yeah, like 2 inches. Just to make it a little shorter and a little more me. Okay, and then here she is cropped, just a little bit more baby doll top, a little bit more of a crop top. Didn't pair it with anything spectacular, but just wanted you guys to see options. You can wear it alone, layer it. You know, you can do whatever you want to do. Obnoxious green layering, I'm into it. Like, I like this look a lot. She's versatile, she's trendy, she's cute, she's cropped now, and we're into it. Okay, keeping with the green theme, this is one of those sweater tank tops I was talking about. I can't decide if I'm in love with it or not. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to crop it like this and then style it up and see what I can make of it. I have faith in it. I just need to play a little bit. Okay, definitely loving her better cropped. Yeah, I just put her with cutoff shorts because that's what's easy to do. Boom, bang, bang, boom. But I feel like we can do better than this. I'm gonna pull something out of this. I just can't think of anything right now. But I believe in myself. The sunnies are definitely giving it a little extra oomph, if you will. But leave suggestions. Let me know what you guys think. What I should do with them. Joggers, jeans, skirt, let me know. I have a white skirt coming in that could work. I don't know, we will see. Guys, this look is everything to me. It's giving me so many 2000s feels. This is the green color that's so trendy right now that I'm obsessed with. It looks so cute with these jeans. Like, you can tuck it in, leave it out. It looks so good in every which way, but it is like a little small. It's a small, and I'm not a small. I think I just need to loosen the straps, maybe give me some more, you know, pull this down a little bit more. It's gonna be small either way, but I really like the color of it, so I'm kind of hesitant to like not keep it because I really like it. I don't know, I'm thinking about starting a depop, and I will put this on here if I decide not to keep it, but I'm like madly in love with it, so I might keep it anyways. This is just so like supermodel chill kind of day. I'm so into it, and I can't get enough of this green color. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, feast your eyes on this 80s robe gorgeousness. I am obsessed with it. Look how obnoxious and cute and colorful and like flowy and whoosh whoosh it is. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed with it. I've said that about everything, but this I'm so into. I don't know if I like the tie or not, but here it is with the tie. I think it's cute. Yes, it's a robe, but I'm wearing it not as a robe. I'm wearing it as a kimono moment almost. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Okay guys, I haven't been thrifting in months, so that's why I'm so excited about these finds, because they are incredible, and I hit it so hard. I did that. I mean, we have to have at least one massive fail, right? These aren't happening, ladies and gents. I was gonna, you know, cut these, make them cute cutoffs, but it's gonna be a no from me, dog. I was on that high with the kimono robe moment. This took me back to reality real fast. The next piece is so gorgina. I cannot. It is this baby yellow blazer. Perfect condition, beautiful like 80s brass button, not a stain on her, wool, so she's like a winter moment for sure. but I could not help myself because this is such a beautiful jacket. It is so incredible. I can't get over it. The colors, everything. Definitely have to save her for fall winter because wool ain't got no place here in the South right now. She's not invited to the barbecue right now, but later on she will be. I like can't say anything because you guys see it. You guys can see how dang cute it is. Pastel, shoulder pads, like it doesn't get any better. All right, so it is the next day. I had to wait for a couple of pieces to dry, but here we are, we're ready to go. Okay, so this is the piece. It is the high neck sweater tank top, like exactly what I was talking about getting, in this really pretty neutral color. And I paired it with my bleached tie-dye pants. I really like the vibe of this whole outfit. Of course, the sunnies make it. I was thinking about cropping it, but I actually like the length. I'm able to, you know, tuck it in and it looks really nice. It fits really well and I'm really glad I picked it up. Maybe not the most exciting piece, but I am a big fan of it. You know, I could also pair it with a different nude. I don't know, I really like the vibe of it. You guys know I love a neutral. I'm into it, and I hope you guys like it too. And she's 100% silk as well, so she is bougie and she is nice. Okay, so this is the last piece. It is another like sweater tank top moment, but I definitely want to crop this one. It's like not doing anything for me. Like, I think it looks much better at like that length. So yeah, let's fix this. Okay, this outfit is everything to me. How cute is it? I feel it so much more when it's cropped. It is way more flattering. And then with these high-waisted slacks, I'm so into it. The crop definitely was needed. It is so much better. Love. Okay, and to wrap things up, I cropped this even more, paired it with the pink pants, and I am dying for this outfit. It is so much 80s realness, I cannot deal with it, and I'm in love. Guys, this is it. Bury me in this outfit. The second crop was needed. It just needed to be this itty bitty little shirt paired with these pants. It just needed to happen. Both of these items are thrifted, and I just am obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I had so much fun doing this. The thrift trip was needed. It's literally been months for me, and I've been literally thinking about it, dreaming about it. It just needed to happen, and the thrift gods really shined upon me and gave me this beautiful haul. So thank you, thrift gods. You were on my side, and we found some really amazing pieces. Comment down below what your favorite piece was or how you would style some of the pieces. I would love a little inspo, and these shoulder pads are giving me life. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and stay on fleek, friends. Bye.